problem to the reasons. Una matevachita utinye. No be a job, like my friend, I need a good like my friend, I need a good
Zengeza High School Band has launched its debut album HIGH-KUBATAKWAISHE, a 4-track album with songs such as Musango, Tenda, HIGH-KUBATAKWAISHE, Upenyuri Nani. Please support them. Those who want to get in touch with them, you can contact them on these numbers: 0773 360 855 or 0772 882 551. Enjoy your viewing.
ndinongotaura kuti album redu takagadzira album yedu tine chirungu chekuti tichakurudzira vamwe vari mumusic industry and then tichikwanisa kuvaka vamwe masongs aripo and then anokwanisa kuvaka vamwe anoexplaina zvakawanda zvatosangana nazvo in life, in real life. That's all that I say.
I pray for my life, be good and nice. Baba, the party ain't one like the equals I will die. Yeah. The bay open, you need. Cause to you, love, I protect. Like the warriors, I will fight. The bay open, you not me. The bay open, you need. Cause to you, love, I protect. Like the warriors, I will fight. The bay open, you not me. Searching is all we are. You want one minute, I don't know. If only pushing back, pushing down. Let your will be done. Is a we put the Amagobata, the Jamuzari. The very open to Inani, go to you, Lord, I won't die. Like the warriors that you fight. The very open you not me. The very open to Inani, go to the warriors have you fight. The pain open, you know that we got.
Kunanyarenga chotinda runenya monotipa chinotadza ishe wangu wasi iye mimwari munoregerera matinora mamauma zvinotoda imi Jehovha mutibatsire ishe. Varaizokararira from 4F at Zengeza One High School.
Inini semwana wechikoro zvebhendi zvinondibatsira kuti ndinogurumika mune zvakanaka mucommunity. I get recognized. I think that's cool.
Pray for my life, be good and nice. Papa, the party ain't one night. The eagles I reply. Yeah. The very open, you but to you love I hold tight. Like the warriors have you fight. The very open, you love me. The very open, you but to you love I hold tight. Like the warriors have you fight. The very open, you love me.
First of all, I would like to acknowledge the work that was done by the band members. Everything that you're going to hear from the album, basically it was done by the school kids. They composed their own songs and they played all the instruments. So what I can say is these kids are very talented and the foundation is already there, but then we also need a boost from well-known people, maybe from well-known musicians, people who are already in the industry, so that maybe they boost their confidence and they are able to accomplish their dreams, especially those who want to do music in future.
Your name?
Grace Chinyama, music teacher and band manager.
Support them. Those who want to get in touch with them, you can contact them on these numbers: 0773 360 855 or 0772 882 551.
Open, you